Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, September 30th. Futures back in positive territory here once again this morning. As we wrap up the month, we wrap up the week, and hey, we wrap up the quarter as well. Not going to be a good one, unfortunately. There is a shot, a very outside shot, that the NASDAQ could get back to positive territory for the quarter. Outside of that, all three U.S. indexes going to be negative once again for the month, the week, and the quarter, it would appear as well. Here's a look at how the markets stand right now. 0.18 for the S&P, the Dow about flat, NASDAQ holding on to a slight gain, along with TSX futures here in Toronto, all quiet ahead of yet another key reading on inflation coming up at 8:30 this morning. We'll get core personal consumption expenditures for August. That is the big one that the Fed looks at going forward and will look at going forward as far as inflation is concerned. We'll bring that to you live as it happens at 8:30 this morning. Here's a few things of note. That's the overall market. We did hold once again at that low yesterday and managed to close above it from June. Apple back on watch this morning. Going to be a big day for Apple as far as what can the market do, where can we hold heading into the end of the week and month and quarter. As I was mentioning, Nike shares back on watch. We'll have a look at Nike down this morning in the pre-market. They pointed to higher inventories left over from COVID, and not a good forecast going forward for Nike. So under pressure here as we start the morning. Micron reversing, meanwhile, early negativity to trade higher. We are kind of drifting back to the downside here, not only for Micron, but some of the other chip makers as well, despite some cautious comments coming from Micron in their forecast following earnings. Elon and Tesla on watch this morning as well. AI Day, their second attempt at AI Day. The first one was canceled, going to happen today. Unfortunately, it's not going to be within market hours. It's looking like 5 p.m. Pacific time, so it'll be outside of market hours, but we'll have a look at Tesla coming up. And more news for Altria. Yeah, they're going to finalize, I should say, their separation with Juul, give them the opportunity to move in other directions. Grab the watch list, guys, on its way up to you as we speak. For free every morning. All you need is your email address. We'll see you soon on TraderTV.Live.